Now I'm going to prepare gooseberry thokku, that is maranellikai thokku. For that I'm going to fry mustard and fenugreek. This is gooseberry I have boiled in idly cooker, idly vessel, and it has become boiled and I took out the seeds. Now I'm going to mash it as a paste in the mixie. This is the mashed maranellica paste, that is gooseberry paste. Now the frying pan is getting heated. I'm pouring gingelly oil, 2 teaspoons. Measurement 2 teaspoons. Now I'm going to pour mustard seeds, after the mustard seeds are getting turmeric powder, I have added asafetida, I have added, and chili powder also I have added. Now I have added that gooseberry thokku inside and mix with them, and now required salt I have added. After stirring like this, I will add fenugreek mustard powder after 2 minutes. Now I am going to grind in the mixie. What are all I am going to grind means that fried fenugreek, mustard, and 1 or 2 red chili to taste. I grind it and add up in the thokku. This is thokku. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek, mustard, and 1 or 2 red chili paste. That is powder, we can say powder. I am going to add this and I will stir with this. Now the complete thokku is ready. Gooseberry thokku is ready. Now I have transferred the thokku from the pan to the serving bowl. It is very glittering, very healthy also for sugar patients, and it is cool and it is tasty also. This is very essential. Gooseberry also, fenugreek, everything, mustard, everything is good for our health. This is gooseberry thokku. We can use it as a side dish for curd rice. We will consume a lot of curd rice if we have it as a side dish. Really tasty. Thank you.